This is the Nikon Coolpix S9300 and it's a successor to the 9100. Now many of the features are the same. It still has the same 18x optical zoom and the lens starts at a wide angle of 25mm, so you should be able to fit quite a few people into a close-up shot. And this extends out to 450mm. Where the real difference comes is that there's a hike in megapixels, so the previous version had 12 megapixels, the 9300 has 16 megapixel sensor. There's also the inclusion of GPS on this model, as you'll see from the label on the top here. And that means you can tag your shots as you're travelling, so that's really handy if you're on a travelling holiday. It will mark where you've been and you can mark it on a map as well, so all the work is done for you. This camera can also shoot 3D images. Now you won't be able to view them on the camera's screen, here this 3-inch screen on the back, but you will be able to connect it up to a TV, to be able to, a 3D TV that is, to view the 3D images. To take a 3D shot you need to select the scene mode on the top here and onto 3D photography. Now if you want to take a 3D photo, you take the first shot and then you move the camera gradually to the right, and as you move it, it'll automatically take the second shot without you having to put the finger on the button. Then you will actually compose your 3D shot on your TV, for you to view later. Bit of a quirk, but might appeal to some people. It can shoot full HD video at 1080p, so you'll be able to get pretty high quality video. And there's also the ability to pause as you're shooting video, so if you want to pause the shot you can carry on again from where you left off, and it won't save it as a completely separate file, so when you put it back it runs through nice and smoothly. Now we've already tested the S9100 and it took pretty decent low light pictures for a compact camera.